Welcome! In front of me I have Withings ScanWatch Nova, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to download and install the Withings Health Mate application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So, check if you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on the iPhone, then tap on the search icon, and then tap on search bar and type in Withings. And tap on search. And you should see this application on the list of apps, Withings Health Mate. Tap on it, and tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the application, you may see pop-ups about permissions. For example, the Bluetooth one. This one I recommend to allow it, so you can pair the devices together. Then tap on Get Started, and now we can log in into an account. If you want to use the email version, enter the email address and tap on Continue, but you can also use the Apple account or Google account if you like to. I'm gonna use the email version. Then tap on Continue, and now I will receive the code on my email, and I need to basically enter it to log in. So let's check for the code. Okay, so let's enter the code from the email address. Tap on Done. Here we have a pop-up about the permissions for the notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And now you should see the home page. Tap on the device icon in the top right corner. And here you should see this page, Install a device. Tap on Install a device, tap on Watches, select your ScanWatch Nova, tap on Install, Next. Make sure your watch is turned on. If you don't see anything right here on the screen, press and hold the crown button for it to turn on. And after it turns on, it should detect your watch, and you need to enter the code from the watch. Tap on Pair. As you can see, it's asking us if the hands are pointing to the top. They are, so let's tap on Yes. And now it's asking us if it's displaying the right time. If it does, tap on Done. Here tap Next, select the preferred wrist, then tap on Understand. Right here you can basically see the tutorial how to use the watch. As you can, you have different categories, and you can just browse them if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on Finish Later, tap on Got It. And now when you tap on the device icon, you should see your ScanWatch Nova right here on the device page. And of course, if you press the button, the crown button, you will see that the watch displays the menu and time and stuff like that, which indicates that the watch is paired with our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.